For the cowhide bleaching method, you want a condiment bottle filled with bleach. Make sure you're wearing gloves. Scrunch your shirt, apply the bleach, and rub it and work it into the shirt. You can open your shirt up and re-scrunch to add more bleach. Flip the shirt around, do the exact same thing to the back, scrunch it up, add the bleach, and work it into the shirt. Now I'm going to open the shirt up and look for the center of my design. Any area in the center of the shirt that I see black, I'm going to add some bleach just to make sure I have a big enough white area for the design. I'm just going to work that in, open the shirt, lay it out in the sun, and let it get white. Now that it's white, this is the part that you need to work really fast. Any areas that you want to change colors, just pick random black areas and squirt the bleach with the condiment bottle and rub it into the shirt. Do that front and back, working as fast as you can because it will turn very fast. Have a water peroxide bath ready to go, and as soon as you're done, dump it in, swish it around, rinse it out really well, let it all neutralize, and this is how you get those lighter and darker brown shades. Let the shirt soak for about 5 minutes. Wring it out, and this is what it looks like with it being wet. We'll throw it in the wash, and I'll post a picture of it.